Hello and welcome to the Kids edition of CultureGrams, a database we will be using to research countries from around the world. In order to find information about your country, let's say Mexico, you have three different options you can use. The top right-hand corner, you can type in the name of your country, and when you hit enter, you will then see your search results that have to do with that particular country. The second option, if we go back to the main page, is to use the world map feature in the middle. If you know where your country is located, you can either click on the region on the map or from the list below. And from there, you can then left click on your country. The last option is to use the drop menu on the left-hand side of the screen, which has all of the world countries listed in alphabetical order. Once you are at your country's page, you will see at the top, above the country's name, that you can translate the website or have a narrator say the information out loud for you. Below, the country page is organized into three main sections, the left-hand side versus the middle versus the right. On the left-hand side, there are specific categories such as people and places, history, lifestyle, society, and culture, facts, and contacts. These can be slightly different depending on the country, but they usually have these main categories. In the middle, you have general facts such as did you know, pictures related to the country such as the flag and the map, and also you have the option to hear the country name and to hear the national anthem. On the right-hand side, you have different tools and features. For example, CultureGrams gives you the option to save the information to your Google Drive or Classroom, to print it out, or to email it to yourself. There are other features such as videos, pictures, slideshows, interviews, famous people, and recipes from that country. The tools below give you the option to make your own graphs and tables, find out what time it is in that country right now, how far away is it, and also what their money is worth. Finally, don't forget to always cite any resource you use in your assignments in your bibliography to give credit to that resource, and CultureGrams will do that for you. Generate citation gives you two choices, APA 6 or MLA 8, depending on what your teacher prefers. You click on the circle, the citation will appear, and you click on Copy Citation to add it to your assignment. And that is CultureGrams. I hope you enjoy your journey as you learn about other countries.